Got some axillary gatos and some Gucci's for a bit of flair. So guys, welcome to this vlog. I don't know why I'm still holding these. Today we are off, or not today, tomorrow morning I'm actually off to Tenerife in Spain with my girlfriend. It's in the Canary Islands. So 2 weeks ago it was Portugal. This week it is Spain, and then I'm back for like 1 day in London. I've got a bunch of meetings on that day. Then I'm actually off to Amsterdam for a week, and then I'm back in London for 2 weeks. Then I'm off to Greece again for a week. I'm taking my mom to Greece. So lots of travel vlogs coming your way once again. And yeah guys, let's roll into this video.
Pray for me, pray for me, pray for me, pray for me.
Guys, I will be honest, like half the time I wonder why the hell I pay for $6 grand a month apartment between the rent and uptake and cleaner and gardener and all that shit. When I'm barely even here. I'm always traveling, but nonetheless, I love traveling. So now it is time to pick out what I'm gonna take with me. I think I'm gonna wear this money shirt in one of my videos one of these days, or maybe for like, ooh shit, maybe for like a new like, crap, there we go. Maybe for like a, whoopsie, all right. Maybe for like a new pre-roll campaign or something like that. I think I might be YouTube's like most hated persona if I do that. So guys, it is day 2. Didn't actually film once we got in, but I thought I would give y'all a little tour of the place. So this is what it's like when you come in. This is the bathroom, kind of like open. Oh, hi there. Okay, hi. So yeah, this is what it's like. To be honest, guys, I'm like really impressed with this place. Pretty dope bathtub. So yeah, this is that's kind of like the bathroom sitch. All of the storage through here. I really wish I had some of these in my house, like the overhead lighting for the wardrobe. Some other crap through there. One thing I love about this place is this place actually has like a proper coffee machine, which I really like. Unlike the hotels that just have like shitty instant coffee. That is the bed. Pretty cool TV, although never really gonna watch TV. This is really nice, which is just like a nice desk to work. So yeah, get some work done there. That is just a cool little place to chill. Guys, overall this place feels like an apartment, like a pretty cool stylish apartment rather than a hotel. So yeah, this is it. This is the suite that we have, and then this is like what it goes on to. So this is, okay, hopefully exposure isn't too bad. This is some outdoor like sunbeds, a place to work at night, which is really nice. That is the girlfriend. It's like the view out. That's like a little tour. Places like this make me question why I have an apartment in London. You alright?
I'm living.
Living. Are you living?
I'm hydrating. I'm living.
Yeah, seriously, like living in a place like this just seems like the quality of life is so nice for like such a cheap price. Also, got this new bracelet. I got. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's pretty.
Trying to stay light on my toes. Just ran a light in the rose. Told me I'm looking exhausted. You hit it right on the nose. I'm tired of all of these niggas. I'm tired of all of these hoes.
So guys, I think it's like day. I'm gonna have to get that. Oh, sorry. I think I got that. Anyways, as I was saying before, the cleaning lady tried to come in on me filming myself. I think it's like day 3 here in Tenerife. Natasha, what day is it? Is it?
Day 3.
Yeah, day 3. Okay, yeah. Natasha concurs. Anyways, today we are, I think we're gonna like go into like the town and just get some food, explore. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Yeah, when I go on holidays, like even the last one, I'm just gonna get some sporadic clips, kind of throw them together. So far this place has been super nice. This is like a, come say hi. So far it's been super nice. This place is like a suite She's like in her element in the sun. Do you have any words?
I don't know.
Okay, alright, she doesn't know. Have you ever been on like a vlog or like a YouTube video before?
No.
Like mine in Paris?
No.
No. Alright, well guys, we'll get used to it. She's tanning up, getting some sun. But yeah. Alright, we'll take you guys with me.
With me? With us?
Okay,
with
us. Ready for adventure?
Yeah.
Why are you walking backwards?
I like to see the world from a different angle. It's nice to appreciate.
Alright, we're off.
Okay, so we've just got to the restaurant to have lunch. I've got the fillet steak and Iman has tuna steak.
Tuna steak.
And we're gonna have some quick food and then go explore the beach and take some photos of your boy.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
You're getting good.
Getting good at what?
YouTube.
Am I?
Yeah.
Is this like me practicing?
Yeah.
Rad.
So we had a really good lunch. Now
recording.
now we're at this like pretty cool vantage point. One of the best things about Natasha and her being here is that she's actually Spanish, although I think you look like pretty Russian. You look like a Russian spy.
Say it again.
So she deals with like all the waiters and people like
all
that.
All the heavyweight of the trip.
All the heavy, yeah.
All the important stuff.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the main aspects of the business. And then you do the admin.
I do that. What?
Side.
No, that's not how it works.
Try it.
Alright, so basically right now we're contemplating whether Natasha should start a YouTube channel within like a few months or something like that. She's like the most like energetic, outgoing, fun person you've ever met.
Oh, thanks, baby.
But you're still not comfortable on YouTube, like in front of camera yet, are you?
I don't think so. I've never tried.
No, she's getting there. Anyways, we were discussing until the audio turned off.
Love me.
It's so cool because you get to go to like a place like this. Rocks. Like one of the good things about owning your own business or like having an online business or something like that, you can come to a place like this on like the 5th of March, which is just such a weird time to which is just such a weird time to like just go on holiday. So you get places super cheap. You don't it's not like touristy at all, and just in general it's like a better experience. So yeah, like, you know, everyone talks about like travel being so expensive and stuff like that. Yeah, depending on where you go, in all fairness. But if you do own your own online business and you're kind of like a marketer and stuff like that, you can just get dirt cheap flights, first of all, because like your schedule is a bit more open because you work for yourself. And where did Natasha go? I just lose her sometimes. Like, I swear to God, like I'll lose her and then she's just like climbing something. Anyways, and you just get to go to places like this where it's just like no one's coming here on the 5th of March, so it's really nice and really cheap. Is she down here? Oh my. Okay, you see, guys, like, do you see what I mean? So guys, it is the next day and we are on a little adventure to catch the sunrise. Got the, okay, it's far inside there. Got the drone lumped somewhere inside here. You ready?
Yeah.
What? Where are you going? Why does this happen with every single girl? So, we found the takeoff point, and then now it is just time for the damn thing to come up. Even though it actually comes up over there, and then sets over there. So, probably like 10-15 more minutes. You gonna fly the drone?
Yeah.
Are you gonna crash the drone?
No.
Every day I come late, wash my clothes in the same sink. I don't give a damn what they think, long as I pay rent. I don't even want about my paycheck. I know it's short, but I'm making.
So guys, from the sandy beaches of Tenerife to the gray skies of Holland, we are here in my business partner's house. A lot of you guys know him. I like to call him Don Bob. Anywho, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I do love doing vlogs. Honestly, like 99% of my life, and I think any entrepreneur can attest to this, that 90% of our lives are just sitting at a computer. Literally 90% of our lives is just sitting at a desk and just working. So when it comes to vlogs, you know, I'll do it when there's something entertaining, something fun happening. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you guys got to like know my girlfriend a bit more. Look, we just got back from the gym.
So,
Hey Don Bob, you want to tell him what's one piece of advice for someone who's starting their own business? By the way, he's been an entrepreneur for like 14 years, longer than I have. So
honestly, everything is about structure. Make sure you have structure in your business and everything in life. So, yeah.
okay, and when we talk about structure, he wakes up at 6 a.m., meditates, reads, and he just came back from the gym, even though his car is broken and he has to like pedal. Anyways, yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.